In this video, I'm going to show you how to place your mirror switch on this Chevy Silverado. Let's install this brand new TRQ part. To get this switch panel out, we have to remove this grab handle, and to do that, we have to pull off this cover for it so that we can access the two mounting bolts for it. So take a trim tool, pop off the bottom of it. There we go. Pull that off. Now you have two 10mm bolts, one at the top and one at the bottom. With those off, you can pull this grab handle out of the way. Now pry up on this switch panel. With it popped off of here, we can get to our switch. To get this mirror switch out, I'm going to unplug it first. Just flip this up and press on this tab. Remove the connector. Sometimes you might need a pocket screwdriver to help you out. Now to get this switch off, you'll notice that it has a couple tabs. Looks like someone's already been in here because this is broken. But you have to basically pry out on the switch panel as you push the switch through. So technically should be one here. I'm going to pry this one out like that, flip it over, and do the same thing over here. Be very gentle so you don't break it. If you break it, you'll need another switch panel, otherwise this won't be able to lock in. There we go. There's your switch. Take your new window switch, line it up, and press it into position. Make sure it clicks on all four tabs, and of course, plug it in with the wiring harness. All right, now you can take your switch panel, line it up, press it down. Now let's get the grab handle back in. Snug up these two bolts. And put this cover back on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.